Hello friend, I will discuss what is foreign key in a SQL. So foreign key is a SQL means a column that link one table to another tables. For example, in the customer table, we have a customer ID in the primary key. And another table is a order table. Order table have a customer ID is a foreign key. This makes sure every order belongs to a valid customer. So you cannot insert a order with a customer ID and does not exist in the customer table. So we can say in short, primary key is the owner and foreign key is the reference. Okay, so let's see the example. So I created two tables. One is the customer and second is the order. Okay, so customer ID is the primary key, name and city, and order ID is the primary key in order table, and I created foreign key as the reference of the customer table to customer ID. So I created two tables. Okay, table had successfully created. So I try to insert this record in customer table. Customer treat as like parent table. Okay, so my order table is means child table. So I means one customer have a multiple record. Okay, so I created a record one. Record customer ID 1 created two record, order ID 101 and order ID 103. Okay, that's I create successfully, but I tried to insert order ID 104, but customer ID 4. Customer ID 4 is not belong to customer table. So this customer 4 is not available. So I try to insert this record in order table with customer ID 4. So the insert statement conflict with foreign key constant. So this is not possible because table have link to primary key and foreign key relationships. Thank you दोस्तों.